Sorry, can you hear me? Thank you for joining us today. I'm Swati Muthukumar, your MC for the day. It gives me immense pleasure in inviting you all to this wonderful moment, the launch of Origin Digital. As a whole, society has evolved. Our technological advancements have gotten us to where we are today, with the world at our fingertips. Today, the companies across the world have also felt the need to go digital more than any time in our history. Origin Texel, with an adrenaline rush to Go Digital, has introduced Origin Digital, a platform to showcase our portfolio of products driven by innovation. Digistore will make communication with our clients easier. The portal will enable quick and effective handling of orders and service requests. We also believe that Digistore will help in establishing experience a new contact channel with our customers. By going digital, we aim to give our customers a superior experience digitally by showcasing our offerings to be accessible anytime, anywhere, and through any device. We are sure this would reshape our business to create more value, gain a competitive advantage to meet and exceed our customer expectations. From day one to now launching our e-commerce portal, the focus has always been market shaping solutions with best customer service. Consumers wield a tremendous amount of power. Their commentary, their feedback, their decisions are arguably more entwined with the success of companies than ever before. Origin Digital will help us make informed decisions based on such key insights, and we believe this transformation will help with the strategies to hit our target demographic and cater to their preferences, expectations, and needs, and lead to an increase in productivity and reduced cost. I would like to thank each and every one of you present here in joining us to celebrate a very important milestone. Before we move ahead, a little introduction about the founder, Mr. Muthukumar. He is an accomplished business leader who brings his strategic views to maximize operational performance, striving to contribute to the dynamic world of IT. To him, going digital meant patience, dedication, commitment from every person in the company. This national corporate transformation, being propelled by him, the engine of massive change, is sustained by an unshakable commitment and dedication. It takes time, energy, patience, creativity, and innovation, all things that has now led to this moment of unveiling Origin Register. We are pleased to have with us two leaders of the industry as our guests for the evening. Welcome to both of you. Our first guest today, Mr. J.V. Ramamurthy, is a man of broad vision. I welcome you to the inaugural function of Digistore, sir. Mr. JVR brings over 40 years of diverse industry experience and leadership. He has acted as the senior consultant for HCL Group and is currently presiding as the mentor for Indian Angel Network and Deshpande Foundation. Beginning his career in the Avionics Design Bureau in Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Mr. Ramamurthy has had various key roles in major organizations. During his tenure at HCL, he spearheaded the company's growth strategy and has been instrumental in HCL's transformation into a leading system integration organization of the country. Having inspired by your strategies and innovative ideas, sir, it is a great honor to share this milestone with the team's mentor. We are proud to have you here supporting us on our journey. Once again, I welcome you. I kindly request you to share a few words with us today, sir. Sir, you're on mute, sir.
Origin Tech Services has come a long way in from 2013 to now, adding a product or a services every year, and that has resulted in a bunch of services that they can provide. More importantly, I know Mr. Muthukumar from 93 onwards, have seen his passion, especially and customer hold is extremely high, and naturally that is a part of DNA and that is a part of his personal qualities, and that has laid the strong foundation for Origin Tech Services in the last 7 years. This has helped to make the team to enter into some of the strategic important customers of Government of India, like Atomic Energy, where like IG Car, Bhavini, NPCL, etc., and also ISRO Sriharikota rocket launching station and so on, and also IIT Madras. Besides that, various research institutions and that of L&T board. L&T ECC board is boardroom integration also he has done. The most important point is how much he holds customers' attention. He holds the same attention with his team, and both as a result of his dedication, both are stable. There are no attrition of customers nor his employees, and also in this current situation, he's thinking of going in this way of introducing digital services, digital portals, and digital services along with it. So long he has been doing it from business directly to customers, government, and now and also business to other business houses like corporates like L&Ts, etc. Now at this stage, he's going directly to the retail and also to the individuals. This has certainly gone new ways to reach the end customers and spread. Not only his spread is across South India, not only in and around Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and the entire Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu belt. Entire South India he has got. Now his spread is not necessary in above India's also he can cover quite easily. And the most important point to what he has been doing all these years, which I really like in him, is he never stayed static. He kept on adding something different. Even in the post-COVID situation, he has added this at this right time. And his one way of de-risking the current situation is not to keep the eggs in one basket called government or in corporate. He has now gone into retails and individual houses and many products which are home-related products also he is bringing in. And it is a plug-and-play devices, and his services was direct to customers' premises. Now it is being returned to the bench, etc. And certainly it goes a long way in saying one single flash that it will take him to this, certainly. And in my view, it is a great flashpoint, and it will see Origin second phase or inflection point for the growth, for the best of everything, for the customers and reducing the transaction costs and also ease of doing business. And finally, in Mr. Chaudhary's words, it is exactly time and timing. Thank you very much. All the very, very best. And this portal is not only digital portal, not only sending it to the customer, digital services also, the customers also can log in, can put their services requirements, etc. That is a two-way communication. It's than a single-way communication. All the very, very best for Origin Tech Services, and we wanted to see it growing logarithmically. Thank you.
Thank you for your kind and encouraging words, sir. I am profusely overjoyed to take the opportunity to welcome our chief guest of the evening, Padma Bhushan awardee Dr. Ajay Chowdhury. He is one of the 6 founding members of HCL, former chairman, HCL Infosystems, chairman, board of governors, IIT Patna, and chairman, IIT Naya Rajpur. He is also the board member of Population Foundation of India and a trustee of Save Life Foundation, and plays an important advisory role in their advocacy efforts. He is an icon in the IT industry and an inspiration to young Indians. Dr. Ajay Chowdhury began his journey more than 4 decades ago with a dream to give India its very own microcomputer. In one of his interviews, he quotes, "At the time of starting HCL, the idea was, let's take the microprocessor and change the world." Change the world he did with his innovative vision and hard work, laying foundation for the Indian IT industry and establishing HCL as a leader in technology. His futuristic view of making computers available to everyone, his strategic ideas that created a revolution in the market, such as introducing EMIs, creating the idea of affordable technology, and his leadership, among others, has empowered the company to emerge as the country's information enabling powerhouse. The company was also awarded Business Super Brands by the Brand Council and rated the most trusted Indian IT brand by Economic Times. Dr. Chowdhury is a recipient of multiple prestigious awards, such as Indian Innovator of the Year Award by the Honorable Finance Minister late Shri Pranab Mukherjee, Cyber Media Business ICT Award for Lifetime Achievement in ICT by Shriman Narendra Modi, awarded honoris causa by the Indian Institute of Information Technology, Design and Manufacturing, Jabalpur, in recognition of the significant contribution he had made to the Indian IT industry and thought leadership in the field. Dr. Aday Chowdhury has been enlisted among India's most powerful brand builders and has been adjudged among India's most powerful CEOs by the Economic Times. Being a mentor and our inspiration, sir, we are beyond proud and ecstatic to have you here celebrate our milestone with us. I once again welcome you. I kindly request you to launch Digistore and address our audience. Thank you.
Good evening and welcome to all who are attending today's function. And this function is being done remotely, which tells us that COVID has had a very negative impact on our social connections, but a very positive impact on Muthukumar's business. So I would like to declare the Origin Digistore open. Congratulations, Muthu, and all your team, and for making this happen. I think this will be a milestone in your organization's growth, and I'm sure this will be a very valuable tool for your customers.
Definitely, sir. Thank you very much.
Well, I'm happy to see you here, Muthukumar, and with COVID, the world around us has changed, and going online is essential, along with offline delivery of services. HCL has spawned off many entrepreneurs, and happy to see you taking a risk and creating your own venture. Starting in 2013, the venture has grown very well in the South, and I hope to see you grow all over the country soon. In HCL, the customer was always at the center of our universe. I'm happy to see that Origin has taken forward this customer-centric approach. And it's not just delivering service, it's not just about delivering services today. What differentiates is the quality of service delivered. And quality is all about constant improvement. So, you know, whenever people talk about, I want to benchmark against somebody else, benchmarking in a manner is copying. So just the way you have a copier machine, you copy somebody else. That's not just good enough. That's what quality taught me. You need to be better than others. So that's what I would like you to continue to do as you go through your journey of quality in service. Interestingly, during COVID times, we have all realized the importance of high quality video conferencing. And I'm sure Origin will see a lot of growth in that area. Also, the whole world is embracing digital today. There is a need of quality system integrators who can choose the right components and make them work seamlessly. And I think that is really what Origin is doing and should continue to do over a period of time. So wishing you and your venture all success, and happy Dasara and happy Diwali. Thank you.
Thank you for the wonderful speech and taking the time to join us today, sir. I now request our MD, Mr. Muthukumar, to address our guests and audience.
Good evening, boss. I'd like to personally thank Mr. Chaudhary, sir, when I sent a mail. Actually, I was expecting a personal launch, as boss rightly said, due to COVID, we were unable to meet up. Otherwise, I thought of going to Delhi, meet him, because I have not met him after 2011 Padma Bhushan award function party hosted by Mr. Chaudhary. I was one of the invitee. So I was there at the point of time. After 2011, I don't have chance to talk to him as well, because I'm not disturbing my bosses always. So I sent a mail requesting for his time slot. Immediately, within not even 20 minutes, he replied to me stating that, Muthu, let's go virtually due to the COVID condition. So based on boss advice, yes, we have done this activity now, and we are very proud that my boss is opened this particular launch on e-commerce portal. See, last 4 months, typically we were sleeping at home. Okay, so what we need to do best, that's what always I remember Mr. JVR or Mr. AKC during the conference used to say, tell us, what is your plan A, B, and C? Okay, if you're not having a plan C, then how are you going to meet up your numbers? See, this is what, actually I learned everything from HCL for last 24 years. Okay, today I am here, that is because of the two stalwarts in the video conference today. I'm talking about Mr. Chaudhary or Mr. Ramamurthy or my other bosses like TRV or Mr. Venkat or Mr. Rajendran. So all these people taught us how to grow the market, how to reach out the client, how to maintain your business all along with profitable nature. But if you look at, we were really doing good initially 3 to 4 years period. Subsequently, there is a drop in our revenue. Though the profitability was increasing, typically our margin as well as on the cost is increasing day by day. So based on the advice from my particular meeting with a couple of bosses like JVR, now we started looking for other areas to address. So that is the precise reason we worked on this digital e-commerce portal, where not only products can be handled by the customer, now people can order services also on digital. So they can log in and they can ask for a service either for IT or AV or anything in terms of office equipment. So that is also one particular advice I took it from one of our mentors and done that as well. So I really thank Mr. Chaudhary sir for taking time out and giving me an opportunity and be part of this program. And we are very proud, sir. As well as I would like to thank Mr. JVR sir, based on your directions along from 93 onwards, you were driving me. So we could able to reach out to a certain extent. But with this, hopefully we should double our numbers in coming years, sir. Thanks a lot once again. And probably I will come down to reach in Delhi. Give us your time slot so that we can meet each other. Thanks. Thank you once again, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody, for joining us today.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Wish you a very happy Dussehra and
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
thank you. Thank you. Happy Dussehra and happy Deepavali. Thank you.
Heartfelt thank you for all the invitees who joined us today with our launch of Origin Register.